Solve today's problem statement. Best time to buy and sell stock. Let's understand the problem first. Let's say you are given an array prices and where prices of I is the price of given stock on the ith day. If you want to maximize your profit by choosing the single day to buy one stock and choosing the different day in the future to sell that stock, return the maximum profit you can achieve from this transaction. If you don't achieve anything, you can return 0. So let's understand uh, this problem statement with better example and try to solve it with the brute force approach. So let's say you have given this input and you can buy the stock at any given day and sell it into the future. So let's say you have buy the stock at 0 day at price of the 7 and you sell it on the further future days. If you see, there is no future days where you can achieve the profit. Similarly, if you buy the stock at 1st day, you can sell it on the 2nd day and achieve the profit. Similarly, 6th or 4th day and achieve the profit. As well, like almost all the future days you can achieve the profit, but you don't have to calculate the profit you can achieve, but you have to return the maximum profit you can achieve in that. So let's say how you can solve this problem. You can solve this problem in a brute force manner by applying 2 pointers, one pointer over here and one pointer at the position of 1. So at a position of 1. To check at every point your buy will be in the past obviously and sell will be in the future. You will definitely check every time whether your sale is greater than buy or not. If it is not, then you will not store the answer into the profit, but if it is yes, you will definitely increase your max profit and at the end return whatever your max returns. So you can use definitely this 2 pointer approach and find out the maximum profit you can achieve with this technique. But uh, this will give you the time complexity order of n square, because here is one pointer you will put and another pointer you will put at first position and iteratively you will like use it to find out and compare at the end. So you will get answer into order of n square. Now how you can achieve this um, with the uh, optimum approach, that is order of n maybe. Let's say let's think more. Let's say you have to buy at the present day and sell into the future. So let's say um, I have bought the stock at second day at the price of 5 and now I'm thinking to sell it at the so even though I have to sell it at the future, let's say I assume this is my future, I have to sell at 5. So what minimum value, so definitely whatever so achieving the profit, I'll have to buy it beforehand. So if I buy it at 7, there will be no profit for me, definitely it will be loss. But if I buy it at 1, there will be 4 profit, 5 minus 1, 4 will be the maximum profit. So let's say my maximum number is the 6. I have sell my stock at 6. So at the given point 6 is my present day where I am selling my stock. So let's look uh, downside from the 6. So let's say 3, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0th index. What is the minimum value I'm getting? So I am getting 1 at the as at the first index. So let's say I have bought stock at the price of 1 and I am selling stock at the price of 6. So maximum profit I will get is the 5. So what I'll have to do it? So I'll have to maintain one minimum pointer while doing the iteration. Now let's see how we can uh, do the code for the same. So what I told, we will have to maintain the minimum pointer. So let's say I have assigned minimum at the first index, so that will be the prices of 0. Like to handle the edge case, so let's say I have declare one more pointer which will be returning result. And prices dot array prices array length will be 0. Then I don't have to iterate anything, but I can directly return the profit as a 0. Now next is, let's say I have maintained my minimum pointer for the prices greater than 1, prices array greater than 1. So here what I'm doing, I'm maintaining the minimum array and then iterating over from integer I is equal to 1, I should be less than prices dot length I plus plus. What this for loop will do, it will actually calculate the maximum profit I can find out by taking the maximum profit I can find out by selling and buying the stock. So let's say here I'm simply maintaining I'm maintaining the minimum element always. So if prices of I is greater than the minimum element, I have to update the minimum element with the current value. So my minimum will become array of minimum will become array element wherever my for loop ith element it is. Now whenever you have to return the max, you have to compare it. So definitely you will use mat.max function here. And to whom you will compare, you will always have to calculate the current profit. So first you will have to find out your current profit. How you can find out that? You can find out the current profit by doing by doing operation on the minimum and prices of I. So it should be prices of I minus minimum, and then you will compare your max with the current profit. So here you will use simple mat.max operation, and here you will compare it with your current profit. I think that's it. So let's run this program. Case 1 is what we have taken as an example and we got the expected output. Case 2 is also same because there is no there is no element in the future where you can achieve the maximum profit. Let's submit the problem statement and see. Yes, it runs. So thank you. That's it, folks.